Many of you might be trying to fill out insurance claims after Tropical Storm Elsa blew through our region. Some of you might also be asking yourself what your existing coverage entails after seeing what the storm did to other people's homes. We want to help you answer those questions and prevent you from making an expensive mistake should our area be threatened by another storm this hurricane season. Joining us this morning is Sean Way from We Insure Group. Good morning, Sean.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for chatting with us. This is a really big talker these days. Why is it so important for people to get flood insurance, especially right now?
Very good question. First, flood insurance that is offered through the National Flood Insurance Program comes with a 30-day waiting period unless it's a new purchase. Agents do have access to private markets that allow us to write flood insurance with no waiting period or as little as 7 to 14 days on the waiting period. Some of our carriers also allow you to endorse your homeowner's policy to respond to flood damage as well.
You know, when we talk about these things, I'm sure one of the very first questions many of us have, including myself, how much is this going to cost?
Good question. You can get flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program, depending on the value of your home. The top price, I believe, is around $525 for the year. Some of the private flood markets are a little less expensive. And when you look at, if you have the ability to endorse your homeowner's policy to cover flood, that's a more valuable option, because one of the things you have to consider, if our area is affected by a hurricane and we are flooded out, most likely you're not going to be able to live in your home. Well, when you have your homeowner's policy endorsed for a flood insurance, it allows you to access your additional living expense coverage, which helps offset the cost of living outside of your home while your home is damaged or being repaired.
You know, that's a really good point. With that said, what policy do you know is right for you? How do you go about finding that policy that fits you best when it comes to flood insurance?
That's a great question. It is one that homeowners should have with their agent to go over their coverages and find out exactly what fits into their budget. Most agents need to design a plan that will meet their clients' needs as far as their coverage that they need and fit it into their budget.
And what does flood insurance cover when you talk about those needs?
Flood insurance covers your dwelling and your personal property inside your home. It also provides, again, if it's covered under your homeowner's policy, you have additional coverages there, such as law and ordinance coverage would respond to that. In the event that you have an older home that's damaged due to a flood, and there may be some cost associated with bringing the home up to current Florida building codes. So you would have access to that as well.
And this morning we're having this conversation because so many people right now are in cleanup mode. They are, detailing, documenting the damage they sustained from these storms. If someone elects to get flood insurance, is there a waiting period, especially being that we do live in Florida and we are in the middle of a hurricane season?
Yeah, you have, you have two different programs. You have the private market, and then you have the National Flood Insurance Program, which is administered through FEMA. And if you go through the National Flood Insurance Program, typically you're looking at a 30-day waiting period before the policy is effective. So if you applied, say, today, July 11th, you're probably looking at an effective date somewhere around August 11th. That's why it's important that you talk with your agent now and see what options are available to you. Again, we have options through the private flood market, as well as endorsing. If your homeowner allow you to endorse the homeowner's policy, meaning add that coverage, flood coverage to your current homeowner's policy, there's no waiting period. But it's better to do those things now instead of waiting until there's a hurricane inside of our cone that's projecting towards Florida. It gets very challenging at that point to get coverage.
Yeah, and this was just a brief conversation. Hopefully we were able to answer a few questions people might have. But if folks have additional questions, how can they go about getting in touch with you?
Yes, give our office a call at 904-416-3301. You can also go visit our webpage, www.weinsurejax.com. There you can enter your information to request a quote, which comes directly to our office, and one of our agents will get in touch with you.
Sean Way, thank you very much, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you.